Today I've got a routine how to reset your energy with Qi Gong. Welcome to Happy Qi, Happy Me. My name is Nicole. Let's get started. We'll bend our knees and our legs are slightly bent, and then we'll start slowly turning from our center, allowing our arms to gently knock across our body, taking deep breaths, allowing our legs to connect to the earth, grounding ourselves, connecting to the earth's energy. Taking deep breaths, and then we can start to look over our shoulder to the back of the room, extending the stretch of the spine and also increasing the stretch to include more of our neck. Gently releasing any tension that we hold in those areas so that the energy can flow up and down the spine. And then we'll slowly come back to the center. Take a deep breath. Notice any shifts in energy. Next we'll do some Qi massage, so we'll start knocking on our chest, going up and down. And what we're doing here is we're releasing any stored up emotions, bringing more energy to the heart, letting go of things that no longer serve us. And one more breath, so breathing in and out. And then we'll come over, going down the inside of the arm and up on the outside. And we'll repeat that. And one last time, coming down and going up. And then we'll come to the other side, doing exactly the same. So going down the center and up on the outside. And then coming back to the chest. And release. Notice how you feel. Next, we will knock on our lower back, so coming up and down, releasing any tension that we hold in that area, taking deep breaths, and then we'll come down the outside of the legs and up on the inside, knocking on the hips. And we'll do that a few more times. And again, knocking on our hips. This helps to ensure that circulation can go to the legs, freeing up the energy. And release. See if you can feel any tingling, any buzzing or energy in your body. Next, we'll bring our hands in front of us and out, breathing in, bringing them in, and breathing out, bringing the hands out. And then we'll bring our hands down and we'll go up. And breathing out as the hands come down, breathing in as they come up. Expanding our lung capacity with these movements. And we'll do one more. And we'll release. Now we'll do some stretching, bringing our hands out. So we're doing spreading the feathers here. We'll bring our head towards one shoulder, taking deep breaths, really enjoying the stretch, releasing any tension. And then we can slowly bring our head to the back and to the front. Gently massaging out any tensions that we hold in the neck and upper back. Because when we're stressed often, that is the first area that it shows. Our shoulders come up, or if we've worked at a computer all day long. And then we'll come through the center towards the other side, again just leaning the head over to the other shoulder, taking a few deep breaths. Allowing any tension to slowly ease off and relax. And then we can bring our head gently to the back and the front. We'll do a few more of those. Coming back to the center, and now we'll reverse, so we'll bring our fingers together. And again, leaning to the shoulder or towards the shoulder with the head. Just taking a few breaths. And then we can start rolling our head gently to the back and the front. Coming through the center to the other side, leaning over towards the shoulder. Breathing deeply so that we can release any of the tension stored up in the neck, in the upper back. And then we can start rolling our head gently to the back and the front. And then coming back to center, releasing your arms. And then we'll start shaking into our hands, shaking into our whole arms, our upper body, and into our legs. Taking deep breaths and sighing out. And slowly coming back to stillness. Notice any shifts in energy in your body. Sometimes you can feel a bit more tingling after this move. We'll do opening the flow, allowing our arms to flow to about shoulder height and then back down. Breathing in as they float up and breathing out as the hands float back down. This should feel effortless. Flows such as this movement, they help our body to train more to relax, take it easy, all of those good things. And one more. Next we'll do the fountain, bringing the back of our hands together, coming up, out and around. So we're mimicking the flow of water of a fountain. Breathing in as the hands come up and breathing out as they come down. And I'll show you from the side. There's a small movement in the spine with this one. And then we'll do one last one. Hands coming up, out and around. We'll bring our feet closer together, and then we'll do pulling down the heavens, circling our hands up overhead, coming down the center. Breathing in as the hands float up, and breathing out as they come back down. And we'll do one last one, allowing our hands to come up and down through the center. We'll do centering, one hand below, the other comes up, down the center. Then we'll swap. Again, as the hand floats up, we breathe in and we breathe out as the hand comes back down. And we'll do one last one on each side. Coming back to center. Noticing how we feel compared to when we first started our Qigong practice. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share with your friends and family. And I will see you next time.